Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use CountIF function in an Excel worksheet. Okay, what I have here is the product, and here the sales, the respective sales. Okay, I have about 25 products and the respective sales in a particular year. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here I just wanted to know the query: how many products raised more than $1,000 in sales? How many products? Since it is how many products is a count. Okay, so but it is not simply a count. It says more than $1,000. That means there is a criteria or a condition to check how many of them having the sales more than $1,000. Okay, so how to do this one? Okay, so equal to count if. So what is your range? This is the your range is the sales. Okay, you are going to check whether the sales value is greater than 1,000, right? So you are checking the sales value. Okay, so your range is the sales. You want to check, okay, how many sales, okay, greater than $1,000. That means you need to give the condition greater than 1,000 and close the bracket. Okay, this will give the condition greater than $1,000. Okay, then press enter. Then you will have 19 products having the greater than $1,000. Okay, so how it works: it takes the range and applies the condition one by one and check whether overall the values in sales satisfies this condition. Okay, greater than 1,000. Okay, so the same thing, if you want to do it for copy and paste. Okay, now what I am going to do is less than $1,000. How to do this? Now again the same thing, equal to the range okay, so CountIF, first the function name CountIF, then the range, the sales range, and the condition is less than $1,000. Okay, so it will give a number of products raised less than $1,000. Since it is 19 and 6 is equal to 25, we have 25 products, and there is none of them having a 1,000 exactly 1,000, because we have greater than 1,000 and less than 1,000. Okay, this way you can specify a range and count function. Since it is having a condition, you must also specify the criteria or the condition, so that it will count the number of records which satisfies the criteria. Okay, so this is the CountIF function, which uses very useful function. Instead of just count function counting, you are attaching some condition. If this satisfies, then count. Okay, so for example, you not necessarily it is the numbers, it could be names also. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this Alice Mutton, I also put it for other okay, I put it for other 3 places also, the Alice Mutton, the same product. Now what I'm going to do is copy okay, how many products named Alice Mutton. Okay, so now we want to see how many Alice Muttons are there in this product list. That one also you can specify this way, that equal to CountIF. The range is the product names. Now the criteria is going to be Alice Mutton. So since it is only one name, you don't need to put equal to Alice Mutton, just put Alice Mutton. You see totally 4 records of Alice Muttons are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this way you can also play with the strings criteria to identify how many products named this, or how many products are greater than this name, or how many products are less than this name, all those stuff. Okay, so I hope this example is helpful to you for starting point of CountIF. My objective is to just to give a simple example to explain the CountIF instead of giving a very complex example. So I hope this will be a starting point for you to play around with CountIF function. Okay, hope if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.